how to make a single crochet. Insert your hook into the stitch that you need to work into. So we're just going to go into the next stitch underneath both of these loops, yarn over, pull through the stitch. So there are now 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through those 2 loops. So again, insert your hook into the next stitch. So we're going underneath those 2 little loops on the top of our stitch. You see that? Yarn over, pull through the stitch. There are 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through both loops. Again, go underneath these top 2 loops of your stitch. So go in, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through that stitch. 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both of those loops. That is a single crochet, and you're just going to keep on repeating that over and over as much as you need.